Hello, hello, welcome back to another BR game. We're back in the new map. We're gonna, I don't know, we're just gonna see as we go. First of all, we gotta open chests, get Pally, because that's how you get the Get a Vending Machine, and Get a Vending Machine means you win. It's simple as. And that all does suck. And that was a chest full of capes. Someone has the new weapon, I smell it. There is 2 Logias, and I have no Haki, so it's gonna be... Oh, he has a new weapon too. It's the new weapon. Ow, ow, ow. If you don't mind, I'm gonna get out of here. Whoa, okay, that's a weird interaction. That just makes you sink. Alright. Well, now I know. Damn that damage. Oh, this guy's gonna... Okay. Oh my god, he's still hitting me. Alright, I need my heal. Kill this guy, get my heal. Thank you. Don't you dare run. Did you get the mag or not? I'm assuming he did. Yeah, he did. He must have. Nope. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna eat spring. I wouldn't usually, but I don't know. Some greater force is telling me to do so. Bro, still no SP. I'm just gonna have to fight this guy. I think this guy is Gecko. I don't know. Oh, he escaped. Oh. Okay, yeah, this guy's dead. Come here. Come on. Nice. Get him in that corner. You know that, and the eggs. I'm so bad if he beam that. But it's fine. Please tell me we got SP of that guy's body. Or is this he I want to fight? Well, I want to fight. Bro, I'm not bothered chasing after you. Don't say wait and then continue fighting me. Oh my god. SP reset? Oh my god, finally. And I'm gonna probably die here. Oh my god, they all still want me. I'm like, bro. Bro. This Goro, this Iceborne Katana. Yeah. Bro. Get over here, you're done. You're dead. Give me my heal. God, I hated you. Right, I'm gonna be super quick here. Um, 1050. 15. Okay, we're fine. Now I actually have a fruit. And not just a hammer. Spin around, toss him in there. Is that my kill? The paw? Please die? Yes, I got a heal. Both of them. Rokushiki, Roger Fit. Okay, good. 29. Flying Cell, Algepo. Right, I'm adapting. It's gonna be impossible to win a game with a Goro third partying, so you're up next. Shoot it. Shoot it. Grab them. Stomp. Okay, we're good. Yes! I got the kill. Oh wait, this guy wants an SS. But I feel like he's gonna kill me. Yeah, look. I don't know, man. Take your SS, bro. I'm sorry. Alright. I will, I promise. I should not have won that. Half of that game was me running away limp. Oh my god.